Hey guys, so I was doing some research and I came across the issue that I have. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I have a video where this thing, the Echo 590, is kind of doing like a little pig squealing when you have the chain brake engaged. So what I'm gonna do is show you two things real quick, and that's let me get this set up. Gonna be using this. Now you can use wheel bearing grease or really whatever you want to use. But this is multi-purpose stuff. It has white creamy appearance, different from other products, so that's pretty dope. Kind of silly, but let me zoom in for you. I'm gonna be working right on this little clutch thing. So I don't know if you guys do this, but what I recommend, that's nasty. What I recommend is you have these. So you got the little bearing right there. So you want to keep some grease on that. And then you got this pin. I'm not going to grease this, but I am going to grease this. A guy online, he said keep it clean and keep a little bit of oil on it, but I'm going to use a little bit of grease. And then that keeps your clutch drum. And I'm probably going to upgrade this. This is what is it? A 7-pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 3/8 7 sprocket. Spur style. I think I'm gonna go to like the steel style where you can because this thing is getting kind of, you can see there, focus here, I'll put it back, you can see there it's getting kind of beat up, but still does the trick. And then I got to clean out in there. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys kind of stuff people can neglect. Put this on. I'm gonna put that on there. Okay. Clean this out. Thing's dirty, boys. It's a dirty boy. Getting out of the crack in there. Okay. So then I'm gonna make sure there's no debris on this. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on it. Just a little bit. Just like a good coating. See it? Okay. Take this off now. Wipe it a little bit. Put it back on. Wipe it a little bit. Put this sucker on. Sounds like there's a little bit of grit in there. See if I can clean this out. We're learning, guys. They say for this one, the Echo 590, that dinging noise, that like bell, they say that bell noise is normal, but that's not the noise that bothers me. It's the squealing. The squealing that bothers me. All right. It's probably still... probably still going to, yeah, it looks like it's hitting this thing. Let's try it, because then you'll know. Nope, it's just rubbing up. Oh, sounds pretty good. All right, now let's put this back on. Oh, I think we got it, guys. Sounds good. That's what happens. All right, then there's this thing that goes on there. Make sure you put it on there right. I think it goes, I forgot which way it goes, guys. Yeah, it goes that way. Maybe it was on wrong, but I'm gonna put it the way it's grooved, and then I can always flip it. So right now there's little grooves on it. So the way this goes is it's flat on this side, grooved on this side. So I'm assuming the grooves pinch on it. That's why it has marks. So that's how it was. So what I'm gonna do is throw a light coating on this thing, just to try to keep it from squealing. And they also say it could be the bearings, but I'm not going with bearings, because if it was the bearings, guys, then if it was the bearings, okay, then it would be squealing all the time, in my opinion. It wouldn't just be squealing whenever it was the chain brake wasn't engaged. So that's just my opinion. So it sounds good there. And then that is loose. Yeah, it might go the other way, guys. I might have to change that. I'm gonna try it. But that's probably what was squealing. So if it's still squealing with that grease, then I'm gonna flip it. Now, is that right? I don't really know. I bought the saw used, so I guess I can research that too. But yeah, so that's basically what I got for you guys today, or in this video. So I greased the bearing, cleaned up the little bell housing, little bell clutch housing thing, greased the washer, cleaned up this area, and then that's really it. And I hope you guys are doing great. And thanks for watching. If you have any videos you want me to do, just let me know, guys.